In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly insert an EM dash into your Canva project. This handy punctuation mark can add clarity and emphasis to your text, and I'll guide you through each step so you can do it with ease. Let's get started. First, open up your Canva project where you've been working on your design or text. It could be anything from a presentation slide to a social media post. Navigating to your Canva project ensures you're set up to make the necessary changes directly within your workspace. Once you have your project open, take a moment to find the exact part of your text where you'd like to insert the EM dash. Carefully click in that spot so that your cursor is positioned correctly. It may sound simple, but placing the cursor precisely is crucial to ensure the EM dash ends up in the right place within your sentence. Here comes the interesting part, especially for Windows users. To bring up the emoji and symbol options on your Windows keyboard, you're going to press the Windows key and the period mouse key simultaneously. This opens a small window with a variety of emojis, punctuation marks, and symbols right at your fingertips. It's a neat trick to have in your arsenal, not just for em dashes, but for adding a little extra flair to your text. Now, once you've activated this emoji and symbols menu, look for the Symbols section. It's often near the end of the emoji category list, so you might need to scroll sideways to find it. Within the Symbols section, you'll find the elusive EM dash. It's a horizontal line that's longer than a standard hyphen. With a simple click, you can place it into your text exactly where you need it. That's really all there is to it. With these easy steps, you're done inserting an EM dash into your Canva project. This technique not only makes your text look more professional, but also helps convey your message more effectively when used correctly. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough guide on using the EM dash in Canva. It might be a small detail, but details like these can make a big difference in the clarity and aesthetic of your text. I hope you found these tips helpful and now feel more confident using the EM dash in your projects. Thanks for joining me in this video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment a bit with these tools in Canva. Keep designing and have fun with it.